Hi there. So in this video we're going to see PHP data object way of connecting to MySQL server. So what we're going to do is we're going to just connect to the server with the available set of credentials. Okay, and we'll see how it goes. So first thing, in your localhost htdocs folder, I want you to create example.php file and open your localhost address / name of your file. Okay, now let's create PHP declaration. Now here we are going to start by creating our details for localhost, then username where I have root, then I want to have password such as demo 1234. Okay, next thing I want to do is we are going to use try and catch block, where inside try I want to create one connection object that will call to PDO class, and this class takes argument that points to host, in our case which is server name. Okay, then semicolon, database name. We need this because it cannot be blank. Okay, so let's use company as that because I have that company database name here. Then I have my username and password. Okay, now we are also going to make our connection to set some attributes. So use set attribute, and inside that method we are going to call for PDO, then attribute error mode, then PDO error underscore mode underscore exception. Okay, so what we did so far is we set the attribute for error mode and mode exception. Okay, so after that we will also use echo message connected to server. Okay, for this to work out properly, just make sure that you have your database name and your MySQL host name properly set up. Okay, so just have to remove this and it should properly show things there. Next thing, you have to use catch and you have to use PDO exception and have to point to your error object and then use echo and then call for e.getMessage. Okay, so you get the idea. What we did is inside try and catch block we are passing our host related information, which is server name, then database name, then username, password. Okay, also we have set attribute related to error mode and mode exception. Then after that, inside try block we are also echoing that message related to connection, which is connected to server, and in catch we are catching any error that occurs. Okay, now I'm going to open browser and going to refresh this to see if it shows me connection message or it shows me error message. So my username and password are correct, so it should show me connection message. And as you can see, we get connected to server message. So this was a short video on how to connect to MySQL server using PDO.